The concept of multiple universes, or the multiverse, has fascinated scientists and laypeople alike for decades. The idea that our universe may not be the only one out there has been explored in science fiction, but recent scientific advancements have made it a serious topic of study in the field of physics. The multiverse theory posits that there are an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and properties. These universes may be parallel to our own, or they may exist in higher dimensions. Some scientists believe that these universes could have even formed from different Big Bangs, each with their own distinct beginning. One of the main pieces of evidence for the multiverse theory is the concept of cosmic inflation. This theory suggests that the universe underwent a rapid expansion in its first moments, creating not only our observable universe but also countless others. Another piece of evidence comes from the study of quantum mechanics, which suggests that there may be multiple possible outcomes for any given event. This idea, known as the many worlds interpretation, suggests that each possible outcome corresponds to a different universe. Despite the intriguing evidence, the multiverse theory is still considered highly speculative and is not widely accepted by the scientific community. Many scientists believe that more research is needed to confirm its existence. Some physicists also point out that there's no way to directly detect or observe other universes, so it's hard to prove their existence. However, the study of the multiverse remains an active area of research. Scientists are continually searching for new ways to test the theory and gather evidence to support it. Overall, the concept of multiple universes offers a tantalizing glimpse into the vastness of the unknown. While it remains to be seen whether the multiverse is a reality, the possibility of its existence continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. The multiverse theory also has implications for the concept of determinism, which is the idea that the future is predetermined by the past. If there are multiple universes, each with its own set of physical laws, then the future of each universe would be determined by its own unique set of initial conditions, rather than a predetermined set of laws. Despite the intriguing evidence, the multiverse theory is still considered highly speculative and is not widely accepted by the scientific community. Many scientists believe that more research is needed to confirm its existence. Some physicists also point out that there's no way to directly detect or observe other universes, so it's hard to prove their existence. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And for more information on this topic and other science-related content, check out our website, InfoTube USA. You'll find a wealth of information and resources to help you deepen your understanding of the world around us. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.